It's Friday, and you know what that means. Food Review Friday. Guess what we're doing?
What?
Food Review Friday.
Oh, okay. Food Review Friday. We are at Twin Beans downtown. Let's go check it out. A drink? Do you want coffee? You want beer? You want wine?
I think I'll just get one of these. Well, the Izzy.
Okay, grab it then. Should we do?
Well, we should do two
crepes
then.
And then a savory one.
So in Bosnia, this is called palacinke. Delicious palacinke, not crepes. When you get here, say, I want the palacinke.
That's kind of funny.
This.
The best crepes in town.
Is this like the only place you can get crepes?
I don't know if you can get them anywhere else.
But these are the best.
Yes.
Alright.
Who cares about other places?
I got the Nutella, strawberry Nutella.
Yeah.
And what did you get?
I got the Iliad, which is like chicken, feta, some tomatoes, some of the sauce action going on. Delicious.
I don't know why you would put that in a crepe.
Have you tried it yet?
No. Yeah. Okay. Listen, I'm very picky. I just wanted the Nutella. I don't know why you're making me eat this.
Let's try it or no.
That's definitely weird.
Are you not into it?
I'm gonna stick with my
Nutella?
Nutella. Yeah. Have fun with that one.
Okay. The crepes are great. The best. I know people, and people think that this is the best.
Alright, so that'll do it for the Food Review Friday. You know, the crepes were great. You know, they were just alright. Alright, see you on the next one.